You want to separate your clothes into 4 separate piles. Divide into 4 sections. Red, pink, orange is in here. White colors, dark colors here, and then the in-between colors right here. Here's a close-up of the shirt, of my blouse. I just button it up. See, it's all buttoned up together. It's not going to fly loose in the washing machine. It will protect it a lot more. In my red jacket, I just zip it up. I zip it up for any jackets that has a zipper to keep it together. Laundry basket on top of a stool. You can just stay standing up, protect your back, and not have your back hurt. So that's another hack for you as well. A little bonus. I forgot to mention for jeans like these, I turn it inside out. And I make sure it's buttoned up as well. With the button up, and it's zipped up. The washer is finished. For us, instead of like putting it in the dryer, I'm not going to do that because it's going to take time. Because while the dryer is going, I can't have the washer going. It's just how they have this system. So what I do instead is I just hang things up and then have another load washing. So that way I can save time, save a little bit of electricity. This is a really good rod to use. It's really strong, so that's why I just put it. Alright, another batch going. Ran out of room, so I put the hangers here in the sink. As you can see, the bathroom is very, very full. So I'm going to hang those clothes in the bedroom, but not here. There's enough clothes in here already. And you need more space to hang your clothes to dry. Just use the countertop. You can see it's balanced very, very carefully on there. And then also I used the table, the end of the table, to balance it there, the round table there, and then this table here too.